What if you could stop hair fall using just the ingredients sitting in your kitchen right now? Imagine glossy, bouncing hair in slow motion. Now picture a split screen. On one side, hair looks a little thin. On the other, it appears thicker and fuller. This is not a scene from a television commercial. It is the beginning of a real journey you can start today, using simple ingredients you already own. The answer to stronger, healthier hair might not be in an expensive bottle. It could be waiting for you in your pantry or refrigerator. This is the promise of natural, low-cost solutions that work with your body. Millions of women around the world wake up to find more hairs on their brush than in their scalp, seeing strands in the shower drain or on the pillow. Hair fall can affect confidence, style choices, and even how we feel when we step out into the world. Many products promise miracles, but they can be pricey, packed with complex synthetics, and deliver mixed results. Natural home remedies offer gentle, cost-effective alternatives. Centuries-old wisdom updated for 2025 science and lifestyle. They work by feeding your scalp and fortifying your hair with nutrients it can recognize and use, respecting your body's balance. In this video, you'll discover proven DIY treatments, lifestyle and dietary tweaks, common pitfalls to avoid, and expert insights. No fluff, just high-value guidance. Today is October 17th, 2025, and it is the perfect day to begin a new chapter in your hair care story. These methods aren't quick, temporary fixes. They are a sustainable routine for long-term hair health, with simple remedies you can make in minutes. We will cover scalp preparation, nutrient-rich masks, herbal rinses, solutions grounded in time-tested tradition and modern awareness. You have the power to transform your hair with a few simple steps in your own kitchen. Egg, yogurt, honey, and olive oil close at hand. Your journey to stronger hair starts here. Why does hair fall happen? It is normal to shed about 50 to 100 hairs per day, part of your hair's life cycle. With millions of follicles on your scalp, this small loss is usually not noticeable. Significantly more shedding signals an imbalance. Several factors can disrupt the cycle. Understanding them is the first step to a solution. Hormones are powerful messengers for hair growth. Spikes in stress or shifts after major events like childbirth or crises can push hairs into rest. In telogen effluvium, many follicles enter the resting phase, then shed together months after the trigger. Managing stress and supporting hormones is crucial. Diet affects hair directly. Your hair needs fuel to grow strong. Iron, biotin, protein, vitamin D, and zinc are foundational for healthy strands. Low iron weakens strands. Lack of protein reduces the building blocks for keratin, the main hair protein. Make your diet rich in these nutrients. Feed your hair from the inside out. Dandruff, fungal infections, and inflammation suffocate follicles. A healthy scalp is the garden your hair grows from. Care for it. Frequent high-heat styling and chemical treatments strip moisture and cause breakage, making hair look thinner even if roots are healthy. Your scalp cycles through anagen growth, catagen transition, and telogen rest. Support the cycle to revive dormant follicles and extend anagen. With the science in mind, let's prepare your scalp for growth. If you're finding value so far, tap like to help others discover natural hair solutions. Great results always begin with a healthy foundation. In hair care, that foundation is your scalp, clean, calm, and free from buildup. As with preparing soil before planting, clearing debris lets nutrients reach where they're needed most and boosts circulation. A gentle scalp exfoliation about once a week improves the effectiveness of every treatment that follows. Combine 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar with 1 tablespoon of warm extra virgin olive oil. Mix to a paste. Part hair into sections. Apply with fingertips, and massage in small circles for about 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. This clears dead cells, excess oil, product residue, and supercharges blood flow. To preserve scalp pH and microbiome, mix 2 parts raw honey with 1 part apple cider vinegar for a mild cleanser. Honey's enzymes cleanse while drawing in moisture. Apple cider vinegar balances pH and seals cuticles for a smoother finish. Apply to wet hair, massage for 2 minutes, then rinse well. Use the scrub once a week. The honey vinegar cleanse every 7 to 10 days. Over-exfoliating or overwashing can cause irritation. On off weeks, rinse with warm water or use a very mild sulfate-free shampoo. Listen to your hair and scalp. The goal is a clean, balanced environment, not stripping natural defenses. Consistency with gentle prep paves the way for healthier hair. Quick question: have you tried scalp exfoliation yet? Tell me in the comments. With your foundation set, let's feed your hair from the outside in. Once your scalp is clean and prepared, it is ready to absorb nutrients from a deep conditioning mask. These masks deliver proteins, vitamins, and moisture right where they're needed, like a superfood smoothie for your hair. You'll need 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Egg yolk's proteins reinforce structure. Yogurt's lactic acid calms irritation. Coconut oil penetrates the cortex to prevent protein loss. Whisk yolk, yogurt, and coconut oil until creamy. Apply generously, starting at the roots and working to the ends. Cover every strand, pile hair up and wrap in a warm, damp towel. Heat helps lift cuticles, so nutrients penetrate deeply. Leave on for about 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm or cool water. Hot water can cook the egg. If needed, follow with a very gentle shampoo, though a good rinse is often enough. Use once a week for noticeable improvements in strength and elasticity. This helps repair damage, reduce split ends, and leaves hair softer and healthier looking. In short, strengthen the shaft, reduce breakage, and soothe the scalp. If you plan to try this mask, save this video so you can follow along later. Next, we'll amplify growth with a stimulating oil massage. A few minutes of focused massage can change your hair's trajectory. A scalp oil massage boosts circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to follicles, awakening dormant growth. Blend 2 tablespoons castor oil, 1 tablespoon jojoba oil, and about 10 drops rosemary essential oil. Castor supports thickness, jojoba balances sebum, and rosemary has shown effectiveness comparable to some commercial treatments. Gently warm the blend in a water bath and section your hair. Apply with fingertips, not nails, and massage in firm, gentle circles. Focus on temples, crown, and nape for at least 5 minutes. Leave on at least 1 hour or overnight if hair is very dry. Protect pillows with a towel or shower cap. Shampoo as usual, sometimes twice to remove residue. Do this twice weekly to nourish follicles, reduce shedding, and encourage strong new growth. After cleansing and conditioning, a final herbal rinse adds vitamins and minerals without residue, soothing scalp, strengthening shafts, and adding shine. Use a handful of hibiscus petals and a handful of curry leaves. Hibiscus is rich in vitamin C and amino acids. Curry leaves offer antioxidants, iron, and B vitamins. Place the herbs in 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then simmer 10 minutes to extract beneficial compounds. Turn off heat, cool fully, and strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth. After shampooing, pour over scalp in lengths, massage for a minute. Do not rinse out. Pat dry and style as usual. Use after each shampoo to fortify hair, reduce shedding, and promote a healthy, vibrant shine over time. Subscribe for more natural beauty insights and weekly routines you can actually stick to. While topicals help, true and lasting hair health is built from the inside. Your hair reflects your overall well-being. Protein is the cornerstone. Hair is made of keratin. Aim for about 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Include beans, lentils, eggs, lean poultry, tofu, and fish. Iron carries oxygen to follicles. Low iron is a common cause of shedding. Pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C to boost absorption. Hydration and sleep are underrated. Aim for 8 8-ounce glasses daily and 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Chronic stress raises cortisol and disrupts growth. Try daily rituals: child's pose, supported bridge, and 5 minutes of 4 to 6 breathing. Heavy daily oiling can clog follicles. Light applications 2 to 3 times a week moisturize the scalp without greasiness. Trims remove split ends and prevent breakage, but do not affect shedding at the root. Natural ingredients can irritate sensitive skin. Patch test and wait 24 hours before full use. Aisha used weekly masks, twice weekly oil massages, and boosted protein and iron. After 8 weeks, she saw about a 40% drop in shedding and fuller mid-length hair. Maria used a herbal infusion after every wash and did overnight oils. In 8 weeks, hair felt about 30% stronger with less hairline breakage. A simple routine. Day 1, gentle scalp exfoliation. Day 3, protein mask for 30 minutes. Day 4, scalp oil massage overnight. Day 5, wash and finish with herbal rinse. Repeat and adjust. Core steps: exfoliate and cleanse, protein masks and oil massages, herbal rinses, protein and iron-rich diet, hydrate, sleep, manage stress, always patch test. Start with 1 step. Try the sugar scrub or the honey vinegar wash this week. Keep a short diary to track shedding, shine, and texture. This video is informational, not medical advice. Love natural homemade beauty? Tap like, subscribe, and join our weekly kitchen beauty tips and routines. Comment the remedy you will try next and share this with a friend. See you next week for more glow-worthy DIYs.